Feynman made science so fascinating. He reminded us how much fun it is, and everybody can have a pretty full understanding. So he's such a joyful example of how we'd all like to learn and think about things.
Now, oxygen, for instance, in the air would like to be next to carbon, and if they're getting near each other, they snap together. If you can get it faster by heating it up somehow, some way, they come close enough to the carbon and snap in. And that gives a lot of jiggly motion, which might hit some other atoms, making those go faster so they can climb up and bump against other carbon atoms, and they jiggle and they make mothers jiggle, and you get a terrible catastrophe. That catastrophe is a fire.
It's taking something that is a little mysterious to most people and using very simple concepts to explain how it works. He doesn't even tell you he's talking about fire till the very end, and you feel like you're kind of figuring it out together with him.